In this video, I'll show you how to like messages on Deepseek. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. If you don't like messages on Deepseek, what I'm going to do right now, head over to your Deepseek, right? Once you have messages Deepseek, it's going to give you its reply. And if you scroll down below, you can see this like icon, right? If you click on this like, it's going to like this post, right? So you can still come on here and type in, let me say, what's good, right? Okay, let me say, I wanna repeat what I just did. What's good? I'm gonna click the enter button. It's gonna load up, right? It's gonna load up. Exactly. So you can see, just wait for it to load. Once it has opened up, I'm gonna like the message once everything is out, right? Okay, this is my reply. How to like this message? I'll just click on this, right? Yeah, exactly. So I just liked this message. So this is basically how you can like messages here on Deepseek. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.